Now your ghost lives on in me. I was born into a desert, the first place I called home. Up in the sky was my sun and moon, and the three of us lived alone. Out in the sand we had a hut where we knew that we were safe. Then my first tears dropped down to the ground and formed us a little lake. Now, with each of my tears grew oceans and seas, rivers with waves to ride. The opinions I meet, they each plant a seed in the garden of my mind. Now, some grow strong with roots like blades, while others grow to weed. I'm still figuring which ones to cut off and which ones to let rise like trees. First friend I had, her name's July. I gave her a room to bloom, a secret place with a bed for her to sleep, as long as she would like to. And with each new soul stepping into my life, the rooms they multiply. Some are moving in just to move away, some are only passing by. And you know what? Your room stands empty now, but my universe expands with everyone I love. But your room stands empty now, but my universe expands with everyone